Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am taking a look at GoldPro EA, an MT5 expert advisor developed by Guangwei Zhang. According to the MQL5 Marketplace page, this EA is specifically designed for trading gold or XAUUSD and focuses on a smart money concepts or SMC-based approach. All right, starting with the marketplace overview, GoldPro EA is currently priced at $39, comes with 5 activations, and the version shown here is 1.2. The developer describes it as an institutional grade gold trading system built around market structure analysis rather than traditional grid or martingale techniques. As I scroll through the product description, one of the key concepts highlighted is the EA's use of market structure breaks, often referred to as MSBs, along with order block analysis. Now, according to the developer, the system identifies potential trading opportunities by detecting market structure changes and then selecting what it considers the most suitable order block through a proprietary scoring process. The marketplace page also highlights a multi-stage profit management system. Rather than relying on a single take profit target, the EA includes a 5-level partial take profit mechanism designed to lock in portions of profit while allowing remaining positions to continue following the trend. Another area that receives a lot of attention is risk management. The developer has included several protective features, including a cool down function that pauses trading after 3 consecutive stop losses. There is also a holding timeout feature that closes positions if they fail to reach the first profit target within a specified period, as well as an exit mechanism that closes trades when an opposite market structure is detected. All right, so looking at the technical specifications, GoldPro EA is highly recommended for XAUUSD and is optimized for the M1 time frame. The developer states that a minimum capital of $500 can be used with a 0.05 lot size, and the system supports automatic lot adjustment based on account balance. The description also clearly states that every trade is protected by a hard stop loss, and that the EA does not use grid, martingale, or arbitrage techniques. All right. Now, moving into the backtesting discussion, the marketplace page references historical testing and mentions a win rate statistic, but detailed strategy tester reports, modeling quality information, and testing methods we haven't exactly written out. So we're just going to go through these images that we have here to better understand the backtest results displayed by the developer here on this page. So the balance curve looks quite interesting. There seems to be a steady growth, with some level of drawdowns along the way. And we can see that from this provided report, from an initial deposit of $6,000, total net profit was 14,940.33. Total trades taken were 1,620, and 1,255 were profitable, giving us a 77.47% win rate. All right, let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester so that we can also see how this EA performs. All right, let's see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. We can see that we're testing the GoldPro EA on XAUUSD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we are testing from the beginning of this year till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, we are using the every tick modeling, And looking at the results here, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 12,219.9. All right. And then the total trades taken were 3,461. And out of that figure, 2,597 were profitable. That gave us a 75.04% win rate. And I can see here that the largest profit was 1,443, while the largest loss was 2,013.2. Average profit was 71.63, while the average loss was 229.44. So this also tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad, right? Because you can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite significant. So I'm not really surprised to see a negative total net profit. The risk to reward ratio is very bad, and the win rate is not exactly, so superb. All right, for us to say that perhaps the win rate will cover up for the risk to reward ratio, the difference between the average profit and loss is so wide, and the win rate was not sufficient enough to cover up for it. So it resulted in a decline of over 12.2% on the account balance. Okay, so based on the strategy description, the historical chart activity would likely be centered around market structure shifts, order block identification, trend confirmation through the H1 200 EMA filter, and the EA's predefined exit management rules. However, the exact entry calculations and proprietary scoring methodology are not disclosed by the developer. Right, so I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Longer historical analysis often provides a clearer picture of consistency and risk exposure, and as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical testing performance only. All right, actual results can vary depending on lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. Overall, the GoldPro EA presents itself as a dedicated MT5 gold trading system that combines smart money concepts, market structure analysis, layered profit taking, and multiple risk control mechanisms. So if the approach aligns with your trading style, make sure to perform your own testing and evaluation before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.